So here you see we are going to create this table, graduate table in Python. Let's make it. Okay. So you all have written this one: serial number, name, stipend, subject, average, and division. Okay, so I will start typing in that Python, then it will be good. So here you see what we did here. We have imported MySQL connector. Okay, now one more thing is there. You might have updated your Python shell for this MySQL connector, and after this one, if your connection is not being done, error is coming, then again one more possibility is there, that very soon I am going to provide you out in there. If that also connection is not coming, then what you need to do, everything is okay, then also your connection is not being taken by MySQL connector and huge amount of errors are coming, then how and what you should do in your system so that it is going to come. So once again you have to update your system, right? How to update, I will put there in that channel. Okay, so now you see I had taken here, you see connection object, and that is having I am the root here, and it is for host. Who is that? Local host, and password is this one. So now I am going to press enter key, and then I will go ahead. Now what is the next one I am going to do in order to create the table?
Cursor.
Yeah, we are going to create the cursor object, and cursor will create. See, MySQL is being done okay because you are typing, writing the SQL queries, and it will be interpreted. But here you see, you have to think like a program, is it? So I'm going to write here cursor equal to connection dot, what is that? Cursor.
Cursor.
Okay, see, you see this cursor is there. You are seeing this one, this carries lump sum. You can think that your practical questions in the board with external and all things, you are going to get this one only, is it? And different type of questions you are going to get in the board related to this MySQL connector. Okay, so a very important concept you are learning. Okay, and you can think that major hurdle of computer science. Got it? So we have done cursor. Now we need to create the table. Okay, so before creating, what we should do, where you are going to create, see something is there. I want to know, anybody can say me a programming logic here.
Use school.
Yeah, I got the answer here. I have to use what?
Database.
Yeah, I want to listen from you all guys. You think like that? You have to use database. The very first command what you are doing, database. So I can write here database name, but I had not written here, so that we can do some error here and you be able to know. So we have to make a cursor command here. See, two things are there. Either you write, suppose I'm writing here, see, let's suppose I'm writing here y is equal to, and in double quote I am writing here, I'm writing here use, or write in small case, no problem, use school, school 1 or school is there.
School.
Okay, so shall I write this one like this way, or simply I write here CURR dot execute, and then bracket I'm going to write the command. If I'm going to write this one, then there will be two statements, and the same statement. Now after that, what I'm going to write here, CURR dot execute, and in bracket I'm going to write y. That can be one possibility. But now your expertise, so why to write in a separate line here? What I'm going to write here, cursor dot execute. Tell me which command to execute. Use
Use school.
school 1 or school is there. I think school
So
is
school you have told we will do every practical.
that is school or school 1 I told. Are last practical we did in school only, na?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now that is school database we have done here. Understand? Now, according to that means habit and behavior, what I taught you there. Now you want to see how many tables are there in the school before creating this graduate table. Let me check out that whether table is there. What I'll write here.
Show database.
Okay, so
Tables.
tables. This is not a part of the program we're typing right now here, but habit is a habit, is it? So you see, so tables, and then again I'm going to fetch everything here in a variable here. So what I'm going to do for that?
X is equals to cursor dot fetch.
A variable you select here, and that variable is going to print. So let me select the variable x and for loop with I, understand, or y. So common understanding. So x equal to, I'm going to write here cursor dot fetch all. Okay, done. Then I'm writing here for, I write I or y, common trend in all the question, all the output I'm going to write for I in x. I'm going to write here print, then I'm going to write here I here. Okay, then see employees. So there will be only one employee table in the given database. Okay, then we are going to create now. Till this much is there. This I had shown you this statement. This statement from here to here is the statement for you, so that you be assure that okay, this will not be a part of the program writing. So in CBSE exams and in the practical exams and all things, this you should not write. Okay, but while doing practicals and all, you check it out, no problem is there. Okay, now we have to create. So let us start creating it out. So I'm going to write here. Now you tell me what you've written. Cursor dot execute. Then we are going to create the command here. I'm writing here create. Yeah, I'm waiting for you all guys. Say fast.
Create table graduate.
Table graduate. Then I should start bracket. Okay, see, I'm starting bracket and I'm ending also. Okay, very fast. Say to me, what is the first one?
S number.
Serial
SM.
number.
Serial number. Okay, it is of type
Integer.
bracket. I'm writing here what is a 2. Then name.
Name. Character.
Character.
Name is of type character. Then I am writing here how many you will take?
30.
25. Okay, next is what?
Stipend.
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 Stipend. It is of type
INT3.
Integer.
3. The next is what?
Subject.
Subject.
Subject. It is of type
Character.
Character 10.
character
10.
10. Okay. The next is what?
Average.
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 INT2.
INT3.
INT. Just a minute. INT
3.
3. Okay. The next.
DIV. Div.
What is the next one?
So division. DIV.
DIV. Division. It is of type.
Sir, no comma is there.
Okay. Okay. Division is. Tell me division.
Character 3.
Character 3. I think that is done. Okay, see this bracket is matching, black bracket is matching with this bracket. Okay, so it is done, and this green bracket is matching with this bracket, and rest all we did. Okay, so this is going to execute. So it is going to give error here. Why error it is giving? Yeah, can you make why
Sir,
this?
space. Give character 3 space is there.
No, that is not there. Error is there. Okay, I haven't written something here to show it to you. So there is a practical approach here. Understand? Purposely I had written this one, no problem. So that same command I am going to write here, but now with see here, guys. So when you are going to write this command here in multi-statement, okay. Again I type that same thing here. I should type the half one. So multiple lines. So multiple lines should be denoted by a backslash. Is it okay? See, it has gone from here to here multi-line. So here, this one execute statement should be written in multiple line by using a backslash. So that now we are going to write everything same according to we are going to write. See, I am going to write till here only. Let's suppose create table graduate, and I'm writing till this bracket. Okay, so now you see. I'm going to teach you how to write exactly same like this one MySQL. So after this graduate, I had taken the bracket. Now I need to go to new line. Okay, or let write one more serial number. Space is there, serial number 2, and then comma. Okay, this one. Okay, done, comma. Then I need to go to a second line to write. Okay, so I am going to make a backslash. Okay, this is backslash and this one is forward slash, no confusion at all. So backslash. Okay, then I am pressing enter key. You see, now have you seen this prompt disappeared here? Okay, so this is telling me to write. Now I can write. Now I am adjusting myself here so that it will be good. Everybody see this one. Then name character 25 and then again comma. So where is my cursor? Here. Okay, then again I am giving a backslash. Sorry, this is forward slash. Then again I am pressing enter key. See, now it's the cursor remain here. So Python, Python understood that no, this guy is typing from here only. So now third one is stipend, and that is of third. Okay, done. Then I am giving again. Then what is that? Subject. This is subject. Okay, then again I am going pressing enter key. This is subject again. Again I am going here after subject. Average. You all check it out whether you missed any comma or something like that. That also you can go through. And then I am writing here this division 3. Okay. Okay, done. Now tell me guys, I am going to go in with a comma, or I'll go, I should write a backslash here. You see, I am not writing any comma here because this is the last one, last query. So I need to close which bracket? I need to close this bracket first, and I then need to close this bracket first. Is it okay? So I am going to close the bracket here. This bracket will be closed. Okay, and then I am going to close the last bracket here. You see, is it clear?
So that inverted one, that string one we have to close.
This one we have closed, 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 then
That
this
string
one.
data.
Huh?
Sir, that inverted comma you have not given.
Inverted comma, yes, sir.
Sir, after div character
After
3
character
inverted.
3, after character 3, what will be there?
Sir, a bracket then inverted comma.
Bracket will be there. Nah? The bracket is okay. Inverted comma will be after that. Nah? Here, and then I am going to put a bracket. Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, clear? So this is there, then I am going to press. Again, you see somewhere we have missed something.
Sir, we have missed a colon.
Where is that?
Semicolon after character 3.
No, let me just a minute read this.
Sir, yes, sir. This error is because div is like a keyword. Last time you have did this same error came, so you changed the name of div to something else.
What is this div? I written division, na?
Yes, sir. Last time same error came, then you changed the name of div, then it was okay.
What I'm going to write for this one? We have. I am going to write here grade. I will write grade. Tell me.
Yes.
Let me see. Division is this one, na? The 1, 2, 3, 4 character is there. Okay, so I am going to write here. Let writing with this one grade. Grade. Okay. Care 3. Okay, done. Right. So here you see this is being see create a table command being executed here, and now we are going to have a table by the name graduate. Done. So you all recall this one div, understand? Put your mind a little bit, is it that whenever you are going to type, or you can let me know also. I am growing old and I am forgetting, is it? So here you see now again I am going to type here. Now as habit is there, understand, you want to see that whether your table is being created or not. So what I'm going to type in, and I'm going to write here for that very fast. Tell me.
Describe dot execute.
Yeah.
Describe table.
Describe. What is the table name? Graduate, is
Yeah.
it?
Graduate.
Okay, so this is being done. Now again x equal to dot.
That's
I,
all.
I am going to see all CS. Why I am purposely making all these things here out? Why? Because it will be there in your mind. I am telling you, out of 100 student, 95 students are not understanding all these things, and 95% are failure in this one. You compare whole Bokashu city. They are unable to connect, they are unable to type a program, they are unable to remove the mistakes, understand errors and all. So different type of errors are also coming, and again and again I'm telling you habit like that. So I just want to put in your mind, okay, you all can do. Okay, so again here fetch all, then again for I in x. This is a very popular question in external, understand. People are asking the why you have used this I, and your data is coming from where. Okay, so I'm going to write here print. I'm going to put here I. Okay, so just check it out. Okay, done. Concept is clear. We have created the table, and now we are going to input the data. Now I want that input uh, dot. Tell me fast. What I'll write? What command you have written?
Insert
Insert.
Insert. Insert into employee.
Graduate.
Employee I'm writing. Graduate
Values.
values. Insert into graduate. Then I'm going to write here values. Values. Okay. Then what I'm going to write here, values in bracket. I'm going to put bracket. Okay, so values I'm going to take it from here. For that I'm going to make this little bit. Okay, so I'm going to write down. Okay, so yeah, tell me. I'm giving you a hint also from the screen, so now you can see me very fast.
One.
1 comma, then
Karan, K-A-R-N.
Current.
Karan, then again here 400, then
Physics
physics, then again
68.
68, then yeah,
What?
division. I should write 1 year.
No, sir. In double part.
Yeah. Okay, so this is okay, correct?
Sir, there is.
So, What the error is coming here?
Sir, that it is taking insert into to that 1 comma 1 string. Then Karan is not in the string. It is taking that.
No problem. Just put in single quote. Okay. Done. This one you go and put in single quote. Now you see. Okay. So double quote is not ready for this version. Understand? Single quote is ready for this version. You just check out output also. Here also go and check it out. You see all are coming under single quote. You see serial number. These all things single quote. So make it single quote. Okay. In MySQL it is running. Done. So still that black color it is not matching. Okay, one more bracket will be there. Here you see.
Sir, that one
Sir,
double
double
quote
com-
is that the last.
Sir, in insert double quote is here.
Okay, okay. Definitely I am becoming old, is it? Yeah. Done. So due to this lockdown era and this headphone microphone, now I am going to be little bit blind and I am going to be little bit deaf also. My ears are also not responding due to continuous headphone and this speaker. Okay, done. So this is first one is being done. It is being executed. Now next one I'm going to type. One logic is there. I just want to explain it to you. Okay, so for that you keep patience and let me feed this data. So I'm writing 2 here. Then next one say Divakar. Okay, then again I am writing here 450. Then this one is computer science. Then here 68, division is 1, done. Second one is done. Okay, then again third one I'm going to write here. Then in the third one, what is that again? Here you see I'm going to write here 3. Then this will be this will be 300 and this will be chemistry and this will be 62 and this will be your first division. Done. Third one is also being executed. Then I am going to make it out. This will be number 4. Next one 4 is Rekha. Then this is 350. Then this one is physics is correct 63. Then here first. Okay, done. Then again one more is there. This is number 5. Okay, then here we are going to have Arjun. Then again here this will be 500 and then this will be maths. Then this will be 70. Okay, then this will be first. Done. All is done or still some are there? 10 are there. Okay, so what to do? I am inserting till 5 only.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let me insert till 5. Now guys, it is being inserted. Now a common mistake everybody will do. Can you tell me what is the common mistake you are going to do? If now I'll think that my data is already being inserted and I'll just make a command that cursor dot execute and then I'm going to write here select asterisk from graduate. Then this is going to run. No, this is going to
No,
fetch
sir.
error. Understand? Because you are using Python. So Python is taking input and putting in temporarily memory there. Understand? So it will be there in RAM, not in the table. It is not being updated in the table. For that you have to give a command. I taught you that command in MySQL. What is that command?
Commit.
You have to make a commit command. Understand? And commit, remember, commit you are going to do with not this cursor object. Commit you are going to do with what object? connection object. This connection will now commit to that database being used inside that table to make it final. Are you getting me, everybody? Concept is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so very thing like that, something happened in the class. A guy is being recommended for TC, understand? That guy is eligible to get a TC, understand? So that TC letter is being prepared, and now it by cursor object, that Arvind, he has taken that letter from class to office. Now who is going to sanction that that TC? Is it? You know better who is going to sanction, is it? So that object, that database object is going to update the table. Likewise in school, everything has to be done from the principal office. Okay, so you think like that. So here I am to write here connection. What is the variable name we have omniversely decided? Connection.
CON.
CON connection dot. Now whatever things are there, take all things from the RAM and dump it or put it permanently in your table, updating your database. So I'm going to write here commit. See, commit is coming somewhere. You see, commit is there. Then I am going to write.
Sir.
Okay. So this is being done. Now you perfectly can issue any command that you can have a print 5 record successfully entered or like that. Okay, so you can make a program like that. I'll show you later on how many input you have taken. So it is going to count record count. Record count is the command there, and you are going to print that. Okay, so now our aim now here is to see that whether the data being updated in the table or not. Now we can make here a command here, cursor dot execute. Okay, tell me. Select asterisk from graduate. Okay,
Graduate.
done. See, so easy. Now you see, so easy, and you are not doing that, then see a single statement is going to issue multiple colorful errors. You see red color errors like that will come. Okay, so now I'm going to write same thing here, x equal to, again habit, is it x equal to, tell me, cursor dot
Fetch all.
fetch all. Is that done? Now you write a for I in x. Here you go. I am writing here print, and then I am writing here I. Let's check it out. These are the required data. Understand? So like that way you are going to enter the table in Python, and then you are going to make here. But you can ask me, sir, this is shell, how you can write a program? It's very simple. You go to the file menu, take a new, and what I'm going to do, all the program which are running in proper sequence from here. Suppose first one is what I took here, these two. So I am going to take these two till here. Okay, I am going to take. Okay, why to type once again? So I am going to put it here. These all things you remove, and you should take care of the space. Okay, indent. Okay, then after this one, what we have taken? You have taken create table command. Okay, so I am going to take this one. This will be your create table command. Okay, so this I am going to take here. Done. Create table command is being done. Now I am coming back here. After this create table command, what is there? This describe and all things that you have done because of programming habit. Understand? So your thing is telling that this one is to be taken care of. Okay, so you go here. I am going to make it out here, and then see your program is being made. You see. So you try that one in cell and finalize here. So till now your program is this. You go and save, and again you run. Okay, so I am not running here because once again this table will be created, is it? So already one version of table already being created in that. So now after that again queries are there. So what query? I'm going to show you one query, then you will make your own. Okay, so what is the first query? Tell me. how to make a query. I'm going to show you first one. First one is that list the name of those students who have obtained division 1 sorted by name. Come on, tell me what is the meaning of this. Okay, so first we write here cursor dot
Sir, time, sir.
just one, just one. This one you see, then I'm going to stop. Okay, cursor dot execute. Tell me here first one.
Select name from graduate where
Select
Well-
name we have written in what type? Just one query you see, then I'm going to leave you. What is that? Name is a small case. Okay, so select name, then
from graduate
from graduate.
where
Okay,
grade is equal to
here you see who has obtained first division. Is that first division means what? Where grade is equal to what I'm going to write here? I in single
Excellent.
quote I, is it? And then it is asking as a name also. So what I'm going to write here?
order by name.
Order by
Ordered by
name. Got it? So I am going to press enter key. See, this got a in execution command. Okay. So now you are going to write here x equal to dot fetch all. So these two statements are the summary we have done. For these two statements you will be given marks, not for this all. These all are mandatory part for writing these two statements. Is it okay? So I am going to write here see two type. Okay, fetch all. Then I am going to write here for I in x, done. Then I am going to write here print, and then I am writing here I. Okay, so you just check it out. Nobody is there. Many are there. What is the error coming? Why it is not showing? One
Maybe
second.
you have installed 2 times.
Yeah, I'm writing here x equal to cursor dot fetch all, done. Then I'm writing here for I in x, then I'm writing here print I. Okay, just check it out. And this name also, you see, this is coming under in ascending order. You see, this is being arranged. Got it? So this is your project work. Okay, to write these two commands here, these two command, and bringing out this result. And to make this one, this much mandatory work you have to do, and you have to write. Are you getting me? Is it okay? So this time we have seen how to make these all things, MySQL queries, and how to create tables in Python. Okay, now we'll do a little bit more ahead in the next coming 2 days, right?